Dangerous to southern Tagalog working jaunts last week. The president headed to a suburb south of the mega city for today's Bawat Bayan Makikinabang program. The program began with the distribution of 10 kilo bags of affordable rice to the hundreds in attendance, which was punctuated by the 200,000 endowment for each barangay, half of which is earmarked for 5 scholarships to deserving students. More on this Las Piñas stopover of the BBM program. With only a few coins left from her laundry earnings last Monday, Nora couldn't afford to buy food and rice. That's why she was overjoyed when President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. distributed 10 kilos of rice to families in Las Piñas City.
Pero may bigas ang binigyan ang Pangulo. Kaya hindi na namin ibibili. Pambili na lang ng ulam. Malaking pong tulong kasi 3 araw o 4 na araw namin kakainin yung 10 kilo.
Under the Bawat Bayan Makikinabang program of the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., 2,500 families in Las Piñas City received 10 kilos of rice each.
Itong tigsa 10 kilo na sako ng bigas ay binibigay po namin sa mga alam naming nangangailangan. Hindi po minsanan ito. Itong pagbigay namin ng 10 kilo ng sako ng bigas, gagawin po namin 6 na beses bawat taon.
Financial assistance worth 4 million pesos was also distributed to 20 barangays in the city. Each barangay received 200,000 pesos. Half of the funds will go to scholarships for 5 college students per barangay, while 100,000 pesos will support programs aimed at improving barangay capacity and community services. In Barangay Zapote, officials plan to digitalize data collection and the distribution of aid. So their priority,
gagamitin ko sa pagbili ng computer at mga iba pang supply na pwedeng gamitin sa aking barangay.
Meanwhile, Barangay Pilar will allocate their funds for community use during wakes and other events.
Bibili po kami ng monoblock chairs and mga tempo.
This year, 57 billion pesos has been allocated under the Local Government Support Fund, which will finance the Bawat Bayan Makikinabang program. The goal, direct funding to local government units to speed up project implementation based on the most urgent needs of their communities.
Kaya napapabilis at napapaaga ang pagdating ng serbisyo sa taong bayan upang matiyak namin na lahat ng mga nangangailangan, lahat ng humihingi ng tulong ay mabibigyan ng tulong na aalalayan ng pamahalaan.
This is Charm Espina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.